Cribl stream functions rename. Rename is actually a very, very basic, but actually very, very useful function. It's, as the name states, it's designed to change or reformat field names individually or even in bulk. It offers really a streamlined way to alter only the field names without impacting other parts of the event. This function is useful for making field names more readable, removing unnecessary prefixes, or standardizing naming conventions across all your data. So as you can see, I've got the data on the right, I got different fields and whatever. And let's just say I want to capitalize the host name. Very easy to do that. You can just set it up. You can just put current name as lowercase host, new name as uppercase host, and it doesn't change anything out. So let's take a quick demo and I'll show you how easy it is to take advantage of this tool. Okay, so here we are back in Stream and go under Add Functions. And I can do this, I could type it, look it up, however I want to do that. I'll just do rename. Pretty easy to use. I want to add a field. The current name, as I mentioned before, is host, as you can see over here. And I want to use capitals. So what we want to do, once again, there's a million different things you can do with that. I can do save. And as you can see, I changed it once. And as you can see with Stream, I can kind of keep track of what I changed here, so it identifies it. Okay, that's it. Once again, Cribl Docs, lots of information on how to use the rename, get into the weeds a little bit. Thanks a lot.